Hello students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to start our computer subject third lesson, that is hardware and software. So let's start. Children, previously you have learned about uses of computer. It is for performing many tasks and it is used at different places. So today we will discuss about hardware and software. A computer is made up of two parts like hardware and software. First, hardware. Students, the parts of the computer that we can see or touch are called hardware. The physical parts of computer are called hardware. Some hardware parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speakers are visible outside the CPU box. Other hardware parts are present inside the CPU box. Look at this picture students, like hard disk, CD drive, motherboard, SMPS, memory, etc. Children, we can watch a film on television. We can touch the TV and remote control. We cannot, however, touch the film or the TV program which we are watching. Like a TV, we can touch some parts of the computer. For example, we can touch the CPU, mouse and keyboard. These parts are called hardware. Look at this picture students. This is the hardware. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Okay. Then next is software. Students, like the film and TV program, we cannot touch something that runs the computer. These parts are called software. We use various programs to work on the computer. All programs are software. Software is a set of instructions that tells hardware what to do. It is shown on the desktop in the form of an icon. You can neither touch nor feel a software. Types of software. There are two types of software. First, application software and second is system software. You can create an icon on the desktop for any program you want. Okay. Then first is application software. Application software programs are designed for specific purpose. Some commonly used application software are given below. Then first is Paint. Paint is a software used for drawing and coloring picture. Second, Microsoft Word, Notepad and WordPad. We use program called Notepad, WordPad and Microsoft Word to type text. Word is a word processor software used for writing and editing text. Microsoft Windows. We use a program called Microsoft Windows to control how the computer works. Each program has a different icon. We can learn to recognize a program by its icon. Okay. Second is operating system software. System software runs the application software system. Software control and manages your computer. When you start your computer, the first software to run is a system. software called operating softwares, OS. Now Windows 7 is the most popular operating software and Windows 10 is in the latest operating software. For example, students, look at this picture. Asha has bought a new computer. She is watching her brother load on operating system in its CPU. The computer will not work till the operating system is running properly. And operating system is a software. It acts as a bridge between the computer and its user. Microsoft Windows, Linux and DOS are some popular operating system. Okay, students, I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information.
Hardware and software. Lofty goal. In this lesson, you will learn about computer hardware and software. Computers help us to do our work with ease, whether it is solving a difficult mathematical puzzle or it is writing a poem. Computers can be simple and they can be complex, but they are made of two components, hardware and software. Hardware. The physical parts of a computer are called hardware. You can see and touch all hardware parts. Hardware can be further classified as input device, processing device, and output device. Some hardware parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speakers are visible outside the CPU box. Other hardware parts are present inside the CPU box like hard disk, CD drive, motherboard, SMPS, memory, etc. Hardware devices inside the CPU. CPU, hard disk, RAM, CD drive, SMPS, motherboard. Some more. SMPS, switched mode power supply, supplies power to all the devices present inside the computer. Hey Mighty, when I click on the start button, all programs and many more names are displayed. Good question. These are software installed in your computer. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells hardware what to do. It is shown on the desktop in the form of an icon. You can neither touch nor feel a software. Types of software. There are two types of software: application software, system software. Some more. You can create an icon on the desktop for any program you want. Application software. Application software programs are designed for specific purposes. Some commonly used application software are given below. Paint is a software used for drawing and coloring pictures. Adobe Photoshop is used for creating and editing pictures. MS Word is a word processor software used for writing and editing text. Windows Media Player is a software used for watching movies. System software. System software runs the application software. System software controls and manages your computer. When you start your computer, the first software to run is a system software called Operating System OS. Now, Windows 7 is the most popular operating system. Windows 8 is the latest operating system.
Students, did you understood the video about hardware and software. Now let's summarize the topic. Parts of the computer that we can touch are its hardware. CPU, mouse and keyboard, monitor are some examples of computer hardware. Parts of the computer that we cannot touch are its software. Paint, MS Windows and Microsoft Word are some computer programs. They are examples of software. An operating system is a software that makes the computer work. Microsoft Windows and Linux are two examples. So, with this chapter is completed, students, and you studied about work of computer. So, please read this lesson from your book carefully. I have sent exercise which you need to open by clicking on the blue link of exercise. If you have the computer textbook, then write exercise in it, and if you don't have, you can write in notebook. Children, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.